Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing today? Nice to see you. Mahalo for joining me and e komo mai, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe link below. Today's announcement, there's no TPT lesson for you teachers this week. I'm actually thinking of doing away with that because I've seen those really fancy lessons that other people have posted, and mine are pretty basic and simple, and I'm thinking of doing away with it. If you think that I should stop doing that, let me know. If you think that I should continue doing those lessons, let me know. Second thing is a huge shout out to my friends at Facebook for inviting me to a civic dinner. And it was last week. It was a time for community connections. I got to meet other business owners, Abby, Eva, Donalyn, Delilah, and Alexander. So mahalo to all of you, my new friends, and to Facebook Civic Dinners. And my final announcement is that it is getting cold up on Maunakea, and I would like to make a monetary donation. So for anybody who clicks on the link below and buys my CD using that link and giving $10 or more, I will donate the profits of the proceeds up to the kia'i up on Maunakea. Okay? Helu e kahi, let's go through kawehewehe, our explanation. We're talking about Lonoikamakahiki today. And Lonoikamakahiki is a time of rest, peace, recreation, the rising of the Makali'i or the Pleiades. In Japanese, that constellation is known as the Subaru. At this time of the year, it coincides with the rainy season and winter. Yeah, ho'oilo. Let's go through our puana. Helu elua, puana, our pronunciation. Let's go through that. Our first word, kahua'olelo mua, is lono. E ho'opili mai, lono. And Lono is the god that represents fertility, recreation, the winter season, all of those things that I just mentioned. The second word is makahiki. E ho'opili mai, makahiki. Makahiki, maikai. And makahiki means year. Makahiki also means the time of the year of the rainy season, right now, from November till about February, where it starts to get wet, wintry, cold, ho'oilo. And this is what the time of the year that represents makahiki. All right? And our hua'olelo kolu, our third word, is akua. E ho'opili mai, akua, maikai. Akua has several different meanings. Besides God, many of you know akua to mean God. And that is one of the definitions, but that is not the only definition. Akua means God, goddess, spirit, ghost, good deity, bad deity, or a malevolent deity, a benevolent deity, divine, supernatural, wondrous, unexplained, and a miracle. Now, in our Western world that we live in, some of the religious people are taken aback because we're talking about deity or gods, and it's like, I only worship one God. You know, those Hawaiian deity, do some people pray to them and worship them as their akua, as their god? Absolutely. I believe that is true. The other meanings that I mentioned are also just as important. Have you ever seen something that's wondrous? You know, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Many of the akua in Hawaii represent wonders of nature. For instance, Tutupele. Pele represents the volcano. She is lava. She is the volcano. In fact, the word for lava is Pele, right? That's wondrous. That's miraculous. Have you ever seen pictures or actually seen for yourself that lava blowing and flowing and flying and in the air and moving? And that's akua. And the last thing is miraculous. Has anything ever happened to you that was miraculous? Maybe you went to the doctor said no cure for this disease, and a little while later, wow, that disease went away. You know somebody that's been healed, or you know somebody that something's happened to them that cannot be explained. That's akua. Kahua'olelo ha, number 4, is kupuna. E ho'opili mai, kupuna. Now a kupuna is an elder and or the older people. And in the Hawaiian culture of the past, And it's continued on into today. Maybe not so much as it was before, but the elders or the kupuna were great wealths of our knowledge. Did they know everything? Absolutely not. But did they know more than the younger people? Yeah, life experience is a teacher. Life experience is a teacher, and that is a important teacher. And so those people in our society that are older, they have a lot of wisdom, and we can learn from their experiences. And that's how learning would take place in the past in the Hawaiian culture. Remember I told you that Hawaiian was an oral language, meaning language was passed down through word of mouth. It wasn't written out, it was passed down from generation to generation. Well, those kupuna were the keepers of that knowledge and would pass it down, and it would continue to get passed down, and that knowledge and that information would continue. And so therefore kupuna held a very high place in society. Today, we see youth being worshipped. We value youth. We want to be young. Everybody wants to be young. Next thing for today is helu e kolu, kahana, application. Well, in this time of Lonoikamakahiki and the feeling of rest, I think that it's so important in this world that we live in that everybody's just busy. How are you? Busy. Everybody's busy. Hurry up. And that's one of the words that I tell my kids, and I'm trying to get away from that. And I tell my haumana, my students, hurry up. Oh, I'm busy. I cannot, I'm busy. And I'm thinking, wow, I needed the makahiki season. I need the makahiki. And so I encourage you, if you're not well, if you're sick. I wasn't feeling well this past week, and I didn't go to work for a couple days because I usually don't get sick, but I got really sick. And I thought, man, for some reason, when this time of the year comes around, I remember that I need to slow down. And when I had gotten sick this past week, I remembered, it's makahiki season. I need to slow down and rest. And that's the application for today, Take some rest. Take some time to appreciate yourself, your life, your health, your value. Rethink your family, your friends, the things that are important to you. And so that's my hope for you is during this time of makahiki, get some much needed rest. You don't need to go to Disneyland, although it's nice. You don't need to go, halfway across the world, go on vacation. You can have your makahiki right where you are. And finally for today, helu eha, our olelo no eau, our wise saying or Hawaiian proverb for the day is olelo no eau ekahi, elua, elima. Olelo no eau 125. And that is a ohe ai vai ke hiki mai ka makahiki. No food is of any value when the makahiki festival comes, which means enjoy what you have now, lest it not be of much use later. So take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I hope you have a wonderful week, month, and I will see you again next time. Mahalo for joining me. Aloha. Ahuiho.